Good afternoon, everyone. This is Friday, May the 9th, 2025. And I'm Tom Palmer with Tom Palmer Custom Daisy Rifles in Mulder, Oklahoma. And today I just wanted to show you a little bit of, I'm gonna build a 499B slash Red Ryder 1938B. Before I take a 1938B Red Ryder and pull the shot tube and the plunger spring assembly out and replace it with 499B stuff. And so I'm gonna go over and show you what I do, and we'll go from there. Okay, this right here, for most of you probably know this. This is for beginners or people that may not know, but you know, in your Red Ryder, this is what your shot tube looks like when they're talking about it. And when they're talking about the abutment, this right here is the abutment, and that's the seal for it. They're a lot different than the old ones. This is all one unit. It's made, put together, assembled, and it's riveted together. If you get the part, you gotta drill it. And this is a plunger assembly. You have your air tube, you got your seal, your wiper, of course your spring, and then your guide rod. And when it's in the gun, basically, let's see, got that upside down, because this part here has to be up in the gun. That's right, there's a little window that you can see the BBs go in right there. And then back here, this has to be turned, because as you can see those little divots right there. Yeah, you can see them right there. Then of course the air tube, it has, let me get over here where we can see it. Got places right there where it mates up, where it goes up there for the compression. And then this right here has to be down. This got an angle on it, and it angles to the rear of the gun. This is where the trigger latches onto. And I've got a trigger right here. I'll kind of show you. It's in the gun. This right here is where, let's see if I can get up there where we can see it. Anyway, yeah, maybe. I'm not too good at videos, guys, but do the best I can. And anyway, that's where it catches on right there. It's in the gun. And that's the way that works. And that's one of my triggers that I modify and customize. And it's a lot lighter weight pulling. Helps with the accuracy. Okay, now that's the 1938B Red Ryder factory stuff. And this right here is the conversion stuff here. Let me put it all together, you can see it. And this is what I'll put back in it. My friend Ben in Pennsylvania, he engineered this right here for the 499B barrel. And this got a sleeve on it. May have done tightened it up. Let me loosen it up if I can, yeah. Anyway, the 499B barrel slips right up in there to a certain distance, and then you have this collar. This is split. Did it real nicely. It goes up in there, and then this collar, and then it tightens up and tightens the barrel to the front part here. It takes an Allen wrench, and you take that and tighten it up in the abutment when you get together. And of course, this sleeve here goes in the gun first, and it's has a place right here that blocks off your loading port and makes it's real clean and neat and nice looking. It's a really nice piece. Then you got to have one of these 499B abutment plugs with the abutment seal on it. And then you have to get your plunger head right here, which is 499B. These don't use an air tube. You just use this flat piece, and they basically it just flats up again that. And I start off with usually a 1938B spring only, and see what I get, and then I kind of go from there, see how the accuracy is. But that's the parts that you use to convert one of those. And of course, I've got this laid out because it's a washer, and then 3 different spacers that, of course, I'll start out with the small one and go from there. But my goal today is reach 475 feet per second. You can get 450 feet a second out of these guns fairly easy with good accuracy. But I want to see if I can move the bar up a little bit. I don't know if I can do it or not. But we're gonna find out. And I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride as we do it. And so I'll get this thing built. And I'll be doing some testing, and I'm gonna post a video of each time I test it with the spring. Start out with a standard 1938B spring, and then when I make a change to it, creeping up towards that 475, we'll see where we start out with, and then we'll see how far we can get. Hope that helps everybody. If you're interested in that, I'll sell all those parts to do this. And the frame that I'll be using will be one of mine that's Ben has put the logo on it for me, and so I'll be using that. I've already gutted this one. You can see I done took all the guts out of it to get ready to build it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and get out and shoot them Red Ryders.